G'day team, Pete checking in with another unboxing. This time we've got a mobile phone holder for selfie sticks, whatnot. It's a Manfrotto one. I saw that this one I believe is the updated version of the original. So it comes in hard plastic. What do we got on the back? Some pictures, how to use it. I think it's got a hot shoe mount as well. So if you got like a Rode Wireless 2, give you some dimensions. That's your clamp. Yep, shoe mount. Made in China. Okay, so that's it. So let's have a look. It's pretty tough plastic. Oh, so you don't need to do that. It's actually got a perforated pull tab on the back. That's pretty clever. I can't say I've seen that before. Oh, so that's pretty thoughtful. So that just peels down. Got this backing cardboard. It's got some more pictures. How to use it. Okay, so that's that. Now the unit's in that plastic tray. Righto, so it is a hard plastic. You can see the thread, that's standard, whatever it is, pretty coarse. That's a pretty good squishy grip there. You can see all these individual raised ribs. That's pretty good quality. It's got the Manfrotto branding. It just looks like it's sprayed on. It's not recessed. It's pretty thick plastic. It's pretty weighty for a plastic unit. Yeah, that's nice. You can see a casting mark there. Embossed ridges for grip. Yeah, shit, it's got a few mount spots. That's cool. It's got the company logo there. See, it's got a hinge and some pressed detailing there. There's your hinge pin. It snaps down. It's pretty good confirmation when it snaps. You can see that little hook. Whoosh. And that must be your shoe mount. And then, okay, so that locks it. So when that's down, the jaws don't open. Clever. The Joby one's just like that, 24/7 shit. That's got a fair bit of spring tension on that. And you can see that rail, guide rail there, so it doesn't walk around. So it goes in and out without any slop. That's pretty sweet. Now let's test that. So this is old style Note 10 Plus, I think. I don't know, it's an old one, but it's still a big size phone. So righto, so you get that in there. Oh shit, that's got room for days. So that could definitely take a super fat phone. You can see that it centers itself to that ridge, which is cool. And that's in there super tight. That's a ripper. So that's heaps better than the Joby one, in my opinion. Okay, so then you can lock it off as well. Oh shit. I've clamped it onto the camera button there. Anyway, that's cool. And then it's locked. Wow, that's really good quality. So this Joby one's pretty cool. It's a lot of mucking around to set your camera, then the angles, and then turn, blah blah. So I believe that this one here's got your mount there. I think this is the Joby Grip Tight stick. Yep, so it's a big one. So yeah, that holds in there pretty sweet. So that's if you're doing video in landscape. And then you can also spin it around and move this down, I guess. Yeah, shit, that's even holding it solid in there with bugger all in the jaws, so your weight is towards here, and that's still solid as. Wow, that's pretty good. This is a pretty heavy phone too. Well, it's not a small phone, I should say. And yeah, that's clamped in there, no worries. And with it locked off, that's not coming out. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm definitely impressed with that one. So I recommend that. That's the Manfrotto phone clamp for selfie sticks and phone gear. Righto, team. Have an awesome day.